Hey guys, I'm your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to configure your Wacom CTL 472 tablet. And before starting the video, I would like to tell that if you haven't watched my Wacom tablet unboxing video, then you can click the info button on the top and watch that video. So let's start our video after this short break. So for configuring your Wacom tablet, you need to search here Wacom tablet properties. So once you have searched Wacom tablet properties, you can see this icon and open this Wacom tablet properties. And once you have opened this, it will say that no device connected to your computer. So before opening Wacom tablet properties, we need to connect our device. So now I have connected my device and it has automatically configured it. And here you can see the instructions about pen and about mapping. So first we will discuss that how to configure your pen. So in the previous video I said that the lower button is used for right click and the upper button is used for left click. But we can also change that feature. So here you can see that the lower button is of right click and the upper button is of scroll. So we can also change this and we can change it to any of the button. We can change it into clicks and there are many types of click. Simple click, right click, middle click, double click, click lock, fourth click and fifth click. And we can also change this to keyboard, tablet features and navigation. Currently it's in navigation mode and we can also change into other features. So basically I'll change it to right click. And now you can see both the buttons are of right click and you can also change the lower button. Now I will change it to the scroll. So here you can see that scroll speed. So this is slow, this is faster than slow, this is medium and this is faster than medium. So I would like to keep this to medium and select OK. In this way you can configure your pen and here you can also change the tip feel. So now I have kept it on the third point and here you can see the current pressure. So now I am clicking with my Wacom tablet and here you can see the pressure and it should not go beyond maximum. So keep that in mind. And if we change the tip feel to firm, it will get lower. So now you can see that the pressure is very low, but I am pressing it with the same pressure. And here you can see tip double click distance. It should be kept at medium only. We don't need to do any change here. So now let's take a look at this mapping. So here you can see two modes, pen mode and the another one is mouse mode. Pen mode is used for online teaching and using it in PPT, and mouse is used for general moving of cursor. So you can see the movement of cursor in pen mode. It's like this. The speed is this much and when we change it to mouse, the speed increases. You can see the speed has increased. And we can also do many configurations here. For example, the orientation. Currently it is in landscape mode. And I prefer that landscape mode is far better than any other orientation. And here you can change it to many other orientations. And now I have changed it to portrait. And here you can see that this point goes here and this goes here and this here and this here. And for doing this, we need to hold it in portrait mode. And now you can see that the cursor is here and I am moving it in portrait mode. And once you have changed it to landscape flipped, the side will be flipped. That's the same difference between landscape and landscape flipped. And here you can see the screen area. For example, you want portion of screen. So here you can see this interface and then we have to move this red dot to the area or portion we want. So now I have done it to this portion and then click OK. And now you can see that the cursor goes only till here when we use it in our tablet. And this is the only range in which we can use this tablet. So I prefer you to choose full screen and if you use it for online teaching, you can select the portion. But here I am selecting it as full. And you can also change the tablet area in the same ways. For example, if you want the portion, then I can change it to this much and more also. So for example, here I am selecting this much area. And then the cursor will move in this area only. So you can see that I am moving the cursor in only this area and the area outside this rectangle is not usable. So now I am changing it to full. And let's discuss more about mouse mode. So here you can see mouse acceleration and here you can keep it to high, and if you want low then you can keep it on low. And the mouse speed is very important. If you keep it very fast then the cursor will move at very high speed. You can see this, and I prefer you to keep this cursor at this point only. And mouse height should be at medium only, and if you want to change you can change the mouse height also, and you can also change the orientation. So I prefer you to keep in landscape mode only. So these are the configuration which we can do in our Wacom tablet. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.